want it, here it is, come and get it. Make your mind up fast. If you want it.
The clock is ticking at the Chevy Time to Buy sale. For a few short days, get great deals on most Chevy.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern County expiring at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Narrator indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Seek shelter immediately. Remember, if you are close enough to hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Report storm damage when you can do so safely.
Time to make the choices that will help you live a healthier life. Introducing Blue Health Solutions from Blue Cross of Northeastern Pennsylvania. It's time for a revolution in health.